Kunti lang ho ang naniniwala. Sabi nga ho nung isang kaibigan ko, Senator, you know, Benji, the fight against corruption, when you look behind me, nobody is out there. Or when you look behind you, nobody is out there fighting with you. And true enough, we were subjected to massive character demolition and assassination. Kami pa ang pinalabas na kami yung corrupt, and cases were filed against us. And surprisingly, it was even used against us during this election. Only to find out, nalaman ko pala na February pa lang, na-dismiss na yung kaso, pero July nilabas, na-dismiss na pala yung mga kaso. Ganyan katindi ang impluensya nitong mga corrupt na politiko na to. Na kaya nilang sirain kung kakalabanin mo sila, pero hindi ho dapat tayo pumayag. Sobra na. Wala nang katapusan yung kanilang kasakiman. Kaya naman, ako'y natutuwa because this is an effort, this effort for good governance at sa effort nato laban sa corruption, we're doing this for our young generation. At ako'y natutuwa dahil nakikita